What if your morning commute looked like this? No roads, no red lights, no gridlock. Just you, lifting straight off the ground and flying over the city at 200 miles per hour. That's not a dream anymore. In 2026, 5 personal aircraft are hitting the market, and they are about to make your car completely obsolete. Welcome back to Hi-futuretech, where we break down the technology shaping tomorrow, today. I'm your host, and in the next 6 minutes, I'm going to show you the 5 eVTOL aircraft redefining how humanity moves. Let's fly. Kicking us off, the Joby Aviation S4. And this thing is a game changer in every sense of that word. It's an electric air taxi that hits 200 miles per hour, but here's what makes it truly remarkable. It's quieter than your home air conditioner. You would barely know it was there. The S4 uses 6 tilt-rotor propellers. They stand vertical for takeoff, straight up, like a helicopter, then tilt forward for cruise mode, slicing through the air like a fixed-wing aircraft. One charge gets you 150 miles. NASA tested it. Toyota invested in it. And 2026 is the year Joby begins commercial flights across the United States. Los Angeles to San Diego in 30 minutes flat. That's the future Hi-futuretech has been tracking, and it's here. Number 2, the Lilium Jet. And this one plays by a completely different set of rules. Lilium built the world's first full-electric regional jet with absolutely zero traditional rotors. Instead, they embedded 36 electric jet engines directly inside the wings, a system called distributed electric propulsion. The result? Near-silent flight, no emissions, and a top speed of 300 kilometers per hour. Now, Lilium's next-generation models are moving toward hydrogen fuel cells, which means even longer range, even cleaner energy. We're talking about regional travel with a carbon footprint of 0. Born in Germany, funded globally, Lilium is proof that emission-free aviation isn't a marketing slogan. It is an engineering reality. Number 3, and this one might actually blow your mind. The Wisk Aero Cora. Fully autonomous. 0 pilots. None. This is a Boeing and Kitty Hawk collaboration, so you know the engineering pedigree is serious. The Cora uses 12 independent lift rotors for vertical takeoff, plus a single rear propeller for forward cruise. The entire flight, routing, weather response, landing, is managed by an onboard AI system. It has already completed thousands of test flights in New Zealand. And in 2026, it's targeting the US market with a booking model that works exactly like Uber. Open your app, request a flight, and an autonomous aircraft comes to you. No driver, no pilot, no human error. Just intelligent, autonomous verticality. Number 4, Archer Midnight. And when United Airlines writes you a $1 billion check, you know something extraordinary is happening. The Midnight carries 4 passengers at 150 miles per hour. It uses a tilt-wing design, vertical on takeoff, horizontal in cruise, giving it the best of both helicopter and fixed-wing performance. And with rapid charging technology, it's back in the air in just 10 minutes between trips. Commercial operations are scheduled to launch in Los Angeles and Miami in 2026, cutting typical urban commutes by up to 90%. What takes you an hour in traffic takes Archer Midnight 8 minutes in the sky. This isn't a prototype sitting in a lab. Archer Midnight is production-ready, investor-backed, and coming to a vertiport near you. And saving the most grounded-in reality for last. Number 5, the EHang 216. Because while everyone else is still getting certified, EHang already is. In 2023, EHang became the world's first eVTOL company to receive a type certificate from a national aviation authority, China's CAAC. That's the golden ticket of aviation approvals. 2 passengers, 130 kilometers per hour, 35-kilometer range, powered by 216 combined horsepower of electric propulsion. And it's not just certified, it's operational. Right now in Guangzhou, EHang 216 aircraft are running medical emergency flights and tourism routes. By 2026, EHang is expanding into Saudi Arabia, the UAE, and European markets. The future isn't coming. For EHang, it already landed. 5 aircraft, 5 companies, 1 mission, to pull humanity off the ground and into the sky. Tilt-wing propulsion, hydrogen fuel cells, autonomous AI navigation. This is not science fiction. This is 2026. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these 5 would you board first? Drop it in the comments. And if you want to stay ahead of every breakthrough in future technology, hit subscribe, because at Hi-futuretech, we don't just cover the future. We live in it. I'll see you in the next one.